We've covered everything you need to know about projects and their settings. Now, let's take a moment to explore some key account-wide settings that will help you manage your Brand24 experience more efficiently. To get started, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings on the menu. Here, you'll find your account dashboard with all essential details in one place. One of the most useful sections is the User panel. This is where you can add team members or clients so they can access the tool. You can choose to grant access to the entire account or just specific projects, and assign different user roles. Each role's permissions are clearly explained, so you'll always know who can do what. If you're on any plan other than individual, you can add an unlimited number of users. Once added, you can also manually assign them to specific projects, so they receive reports and notifications relevant to them. In the Settings menu, you can also manage your subscription plan. If you need to upgrade, add keywords, or increase your mention limit, you can do it right here. Any additional charges will be added to your next invoice. Aside from that, you can update your personal information or customize your account in this section. So take a minute to explore and personalize it to your needs. What else can you find in your account panel outside of project settings? First, there's the changelog, where you'll see all the latest feature releases. Check it regularly to stay up to date and make the most of Brand24's capabilities. Next to the changelog is the Help Center, a library of guides and facts that answer any questions you might have about the platform. If you need more assistance, use the live chat. Our support team is always ready to help, whether it's answering your questions or optimizing your project settings. For even more personalized support, contact our Customer Success Manager. This is the person from our team who knows your account best and can provide tailored advice for your projects. And don't forget our certified webinars. Every week we run expert-led sessions to help you master media monitoring. To join, just head to Projects Dashboard, check when the next webinar is happening, fill out the registration form, and earn your media monitoring certificate. That's it, we've covered it all. Now it's time to put everything you've learned into practice and make the most of Brand24. If you ever need help, we're here for you. Happy monitoring.